छैन कमी यहाँ ट्यालेन्ट्सको, इनोभेटिभ आइडिया र सम्भावना, खोज्दै जोड्दै र बनाउँदै बाटो उद्यमशीलता। उद्देश्य हो डिजिटल नेपाल। F1 Soft presents ICT Award 2021 in association with Nepal Telecom and Genus Solution, powered by Huawei and Tishome FiberNet. Grand finale 17th December 2021 at the Hotel Solti, Kathmandu. Event initiated by Living with ICT. Title sponsor F1 Soft in association with Nepal Telecom, Rashtrako Sanchar and Genus Solution, powered by Huawei and Tishome FiberNet. Endorsed by Nepal Telecommunication Authority. Category sponsored by Encel. Banking partner Rashtriya Varnishya Bank. Knowledge partner Presidential Business School. Cyber security partner ReSecurity Incorporation. Career partner applyjob.com. Voting partner eSewa. Resource partner Upgrade by Mentor Lab. Security partner Eminence Ways. Education partner Texas International College. Education ERP partner Dynamic ERP. Community partner Hamro Patro. Technology partner Technorio. Printing partner Acknowledged partners Ministry of Communication and IT, National Information Technology Center, Department of IT, NAST, FNCCI, NE Hub. Supporting partners. Event initiated by Living with ICT. Honoring the best of technology sector in Nepal. ICT Award, the biggest tech award of Nepal.